the Luxe Group because I'm a mortgage lender and I've been working in this industry for 23 years, and I just really love working with Mary and her team. They're fun, they're accountable, and when they're communicative and they get me things quickly and they set proper expectations with their buyers and sellers, it just makes it really easy. So ultimately the ease of working with them is awesome.
Mary and her team was fabulous from start to finish. Answered the phone, answered emails, answered text messages, had phenomenal contacts from contractors to fix last-minute repairs right up until the point of sale. I would definitely recommend Mary, and I have recommended Mary, and will gladly do so in the future.
Well, I know Jessica from 2018. I was looking for my first home to purchase, and I found her on Google. And I'm telling you, Jessica is the best. She goes above and beyond. After I got pre-approval, I reached out to her, and she was there for me until this day. Until this day, I recommend Jessica anytime.